Adidas Basketball shines with a player-exclusive Harden Volume 9 for Phoenix Mercury star Kahleah Copper, debuting August 10 against the Atlanta Dream. The design bursts in lime green tones inspired by Seagram's ginger ale, injecting fresh energy into Copper's on-court presence. Special details include her jersey number 2 on heel pull tabs and "Just a Kid from Norf" Philly printed on the footbeds, paying tribute to her roots. This release comes as the Harden Volume 9 nears retirement, soon giving way to the Harden Volume 10. Though Copper's pair won't hit retail, fans can still grab other Harden Volume 9 styles via Adidas.com. Combining vivid color, storytelling accents, and exclusive status, the sneaker reflects Adidas' dual focus on performance and player heritage, while celebrating one of the WNBA's standout personalities through a bold, personal, and high-energy design.